Hello everyone, this is TXED Bike and I'm Eva. Today, let's have a see how we assembling our pickups. Let's have a start. You can see we assembling pickups with automatic machine. It automatically injects grease, so the oil is even. In this way, we can fit the pickups in a reliable and secure way to make sure it's more durable. For our assembling props, you can see we have this automatic pickups machine, and what's more, we have different various automatic machine for assembling. So please follow us and know more information. Bye.